category is products related to the cleaning industry. You see all sorts of trends in that area. One of them is sustainability, trying to recycle bottles throughout the cycle, so that's a very good thing. Also digitalization and even virtual reality, so that's really something.
We're talking about the Tork Clean Hands VR training. It's the first interactive virtual reality training that's used for teaching hand hygiene in healthcare environments. It teaches people a better compliance on the important 5 moments of hand hygiene as decided by the WHO. Our product has a huge added value as it can work to decrease the number of infections, of healthcare-acquired infections. And most important, we've created this together with leading experts on hand hygiene, but also on behavioral science. So we are really sure we can decrease the number of costs related to healthcare-acquired infections, but even more important, less patients would need to suffer from bad hand hygiene.
At Spectro, we believe that used products deserve a new life. And therefore recycling and reuse is very important for us. And because of this, we started the Recycle Factory, where we challenge customers to send back their empty packaging of cleaning agents, and we recycle them in our factory in the Netherlands. With the Recycle Factory, we think we take responsibility as a manufacturer and makes us truly unique with closing the loop and offering a good solution for these packaging in the market.
So the product is called Battery Universe, the Karcher new battery platform. So the big thing of this platform is that the user can really work with this battery in every machine for the Karcher world. So he can take the home and garden machine as well as the professional machines, and he also is able to work outside and inside. So it's a big advantage with this new battery platform.